In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the x.com, also known as Twitter, site cache in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can help if the site is not loading properly, if pages are stuck, or if you're seeing old content that should have already refreshed. Clearing the site data can often solve login issues, display problems, and other weird browser glitches without needing to reinstall anything or reset your whole browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to x.com or Twitter. Once the site is open, look to the left side of the URL in the address bar. You should see either a padlock icon or a site settings icon. This is where your browser stores quick access to the site's privacy and permission settings. Click that icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option that says Site Settings. Click on Site Settings to open the browser's detailed settings page for x.com. This page controls things like permissions, cookies, cache, and stored site data. It's the exact place you need if you want to clear out saved information for this website only, instead of clearing everything in your browser. Now that the site settings page is open, look for the option to delete data. Click Delete Data to remove the stored site information for x.com. This can clear cached files, cookies, and other local data that may be causing the website to behave incorrectly. Once you click it, the browser may ask you to confirm your choice. If prompted, go ahead and confirm. After the data is deleted, refresh the x.com tab and let the site load again. In many cases, this simple step is enough to fix display issues, refresh your session, or make the website work properly again. If the problem was caused by old cached content, you should now see the updated version of the site. That's it. You've now cleared the x.com site cache from your browser. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time when the website starts acting up. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.